Hello and welcome to this video. Today, I'm going to guide you through a step-by-step tutorial on how to create an email campaign in MailerLite. It's easy to get started, and if you'd like to follow along, there's a link in the description below. Use it to sign up for a free trial or quickly log into your account. First, click on the Campaigns tab, then click on Create Campaign. Choose the type of campaign you need. For this tutorial, we'll continue with a regular campaign. Fill in all the necessary details to create your campaign, such as the campaign name, domain, subject, and add a list or group of contacts. Then click Next, Content. You can either start from scratch or choose a template. For this tutorial, we'll select a template. After choosing a template, you'll be redirected to the drag and drop editor, where you can design your email according to your needs. Once you've finished designing, click Done Editing. Now, review your campaign to ensure everything looks correct. After reviewing, you're ready to schedule or start your email campaign. Before we finish up, I want to invite you to a free training webinar where you can learn how to earn high-ticket commissions while growing your email list at the same time. It's completely free, so be sure to grab your spot by clicking the link in the description below. We appreciate your time and effort in watching our video. Your support is truly valued and appreciated.